Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of sustainable weight loss through a plant-based diet. With obesity rates climbing and traditional diets often falling short, it's time we looked at a more effective, healthier alternative. What if the answer lies in embracing a plant-based lifestyle? Let's dive into the remarkable benefits of adopting a plant-based diet for weight loss. It's not just about shedding unwanted pounds, it's about improving your overall health and well-being. Imagine a lifestyle change that supports your body and mind, and that's exactly what plant-based eating offers. Let's tackle the big issue many face when attempting to lose weight, the struggles of traditional diets. From harsh restrictions to short-lived results, it's clear why many find these methods unsatisfying and ineffective. We need something more sustainable, and that's where the plant-based diet shines, a healthier, long-term approach to weight management. So, what does a plant-based diet involve? It centers around consuming whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. These nutrient-rich foods are loaded with fiber and essential nutrients, and they're naturally low in unhealthy fats. By prioritizing these foods, you can nourish your body, boost your energy, and enhance weight loss, all while maintaining overall health. The beauty of this approach is that it emphasizes eating more of the good stuff, rather than restricting your food choices. Think of vibrant salads, hearty grain bowls, and satisfying smoothies that not only fill you up but fuel your body with everything it needs. Here's an eye-opening fact: plant-based diets have been shown to significantly impact weight management and overall health. Research highlights how plant-based eating can promote sustainable weight loss by boosting metabolism and enhancing energy levels. This isn't just a trend, it's a scientifically supported approach that offers a myriad of health benefits. From improving digestion to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, the evidence is clear: plant-based diets can lead to long-lasting, positive changes in your health. In summary, switching to a plant-based diet is a powerful strategy for sustainable weight loss and overall wellness. By choosing whole, plant-based foods, you're setting yourself up for success in both health and happiness. It's a lifestyle choice that can transform your life for the better. If you're curious about how plant-based eating can change your life, I encourage you to give it a try. Start incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine and watch the magic happen. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We're here to support each other on this journey to a healthier, more vibrant life. And hey, for exclusive meal plans and resources, be sure to check the link in the description. It's packed with everything you need to kickstart your plant-based journey. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.